In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Vinglace discount coupon codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here, and you'll have to search for Vinglace discount coupon code. Right here, select this website, which is called retrieve.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% of discount, all you need to do right here is select copy code, and this is the promo code that you can copy, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this technology website. And as you can see, we have also some promo codes and deals that you can use to get a discount. For example, let's say if you want to get this free shipping, all you have to do right here is select get this deal. And for this one, as you can see, there is no code required. Or simply just select get this deal right here, and you'll be redirected to the website. And the promo code will be applied automatically, and you'll get that free shipping. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.